Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to look at combining two data frames using join, but now we're going to look at real data. So the data we're looking at today is data I've downloaded from the New York Subway, or the Metropolitan Transportation Association. This is data from every turnstile in the subway by the week. You can download the data. I have a link to it in the website. So each record has information from each record is every turnstile, and it's measured multiple times a day. So there are two files here, data frames here. The first data frame has information on every turnstile, and the other data frame has information on the station. So if you look together, you'll see this is the information from the station information, and this is the information from the station. Now, I want to be able to join them together, but the way that it's organized, the individual key, there's no individual key for every record besides the key value, so we need to make a combo key, which is the remote and the booth put together. So if you look over here, I have made a function that is simply taking this column, and then adding them together and returning it. And I am making a new column in my data frame that is just sending those two values up to the function and then putting that value in there. So you can create a new column of data based on other values that are in your data frame. We could be doing math in this function, so if we had two different values, we could do math on them and then send the result in as well. And then I print out the value, which has the new key here. And if I do this, I do this exact same thing with the station information, and you can see that the location has now been added on here. This is not the station information, this is the toll booth information or turnstile information. And then lastly, I add them together. And if we go here and we wait, and now I'm using the join command right here, and I have all the information joined together from both the station and the turnstile information. So this is the type of thing you'd be doing when you're gathering data sets from outside. You oftentimes have to merge the data with other data that you have, other data frames you have, to get the data set that you want to work with.